next is implementing the join operation. So in this here we will discuss only the equi-join and natural join concepts. So in the terms equi-join is nothing but a two-way join. Only two files, data files are combined means that is called as two-way join. Otherwise, the join contains more than two files means multi-way join. Here file is nothing but individual table. So two tables are combined together means two-way join using the primary key and foreign key. That is called two-way join. And more than two tables are used means everything will be combined using the corresponding primary key and foreign key. So that particular join is called as multi-way join. Okay. So these are the various techniques, and the join operation is the form of or join yes, and join condition is A equal to B. A is the attribute of relation R and B is the attribute of relation S. Okay, so the both A and B are called as the join attributes. Okay, so here some examples are given. So employee and department are combined using the primary key department of the department table and DNO of the, that is the foreign key DNO of the employee table. So both are combined using here. And another one is department and employee are combined using the primary key and foreign key. Primary key SSN of the employee table and foreign key MGR SSN of the department. So both are coming at an equi-join because equal operator is used here. Okay, so here employee and department are combined, values are combined using the condition DNO, D number, otherwise manager SSN equal to SSN values. Okay, so what are the various methods to implement that particular join? That is the algorithm. So the first one is nested loop join or nested block join. Okay, so in the nested loop join or nested block join, the first example operation 6 employee join with the department is done. So the employee table's D number value, first value, will be compared with each and every value of the department table's D number value. If matching, that particular row will be retrieved. Okay, first row of the employee compared with all the rows of the department's D number. Okay, then it implies second row will be taken. The second row of the second row's D number, D and O value of the employee table is compared with department table's D number values, all the rows of the department D number matching, that will be retrieved. Okay, it's like a for loop. Okay, so for loop means outer loop I equal to 0, inner loop J equal to 0. So here outer loop employee tables values rows one by one, and inner loop department table rows. So first row compare with all the rows of the department. Second row of the employee compared with all the rows of the department using this condition DNO and DN number. So if any matching values using DNO equal D number, that corresponding row will be retrieved. That is nothing but nested loop join. And also it is called as brute force algorithm. Okay, so this is also called brute force algorithm. Okay. And single loop join. So in the single loop join, two join attributes are available. No, in any one of the join attribute, that is hash index created on that any one of the index, any one of the join attribute. Okay, so if an index exists for one of the two join attributes, so here the second table's column will be taken, attribute B of 5s. Okay, so now each and every row of the relation R will be taken. Okay, then first two values, the D number value, that corresponding hash bucket contain the value. So immediately the join will be applied on that. Okay, so in this example, you see that employee DNO D number department. Okay, so now here D number is the primary key of the department, DNO is the foreign key of the employee. So employees DNO have the multiple values. So first hash index created on this. Okay, so D number equal to CSC. So CSC related all the tuples will be coming in the bucket named CSC. IT DNO DNO equal to IT related employee details are available in the second bucket IT. So out of sim like that. Now department table. So among the two join attributes, index created on only one join attribute. So we will take foreign key attribute. because multiple records will be there. One bucket contain multiple records. Okay. So now department. So this is the single loop. Single loop means department. First row will be taken. So first row values compare with each and every bucket values. So first bucket contain ID related tuples. Second CSE related tuples. Second bucket contains ID related tuples. So now department tables first row contained CSE. So immediately two buckets are there. No, CSE is compared with first bucket CSE matching. That corresponding rows will be combined with the department. Okay. So and the second row will be taken IT. So IT is compared with the first bucket value CSE. It's not matching. Then IT is compared with the second bucket value. IT is matching. So the department table ID related row combined with the second bucket contain the employee detail. No? It's combined with all the employee details that is available in the bucket 2 related to IT. Okay. So like that, the single loop join will be executed here. Okay. So here in the single loop, only one index, one join attribute have the index. Another join attribute will act as a loop here. Okay. And that one is a sort merge join. So the join d no equal to d number is the no first employee, everything arranged in the order based on the d no values, and department tuples everything arranged in the order based on the d number. Okay, d number. Now sort merge join. So once sorting is over, the related tuples everything merged together. Okay, merged together. So both files are scanned concurrently, and based on the join attributes, matching records, everything have the same value, no, that both are merged together. That both are merged together. Okay. So in this method, the join attribute, two attributes are there. Okay. First attribute, both data files, that is the employee and department, both are taken together and both are arranged in the order, either ascending order or descending order, but the both files should be arranged in any one of the order, same order only. Okay. Ascending order of the employee means in department also ascending order only. So like that, the order will be created. Then both are scanned concurrently, and concurrently means CSC is coming means in the employee table means CSC related department, both are merged together. Okay. So that is the sort merge join. And next is partition has join. Partition has join. So partition has join means first both tables are both tables are hashed into the corresponding bucket based on the join attributes. Okay. So the department tables D number is the no based on the D number, first bucket first value, second bucket second value, because under the D number all the values unique values only. Now we can come to the employee. Employee have the foreign key column DNO. So in the DNO, one department have n number of employees. So first department related employee details are coming in the first bucket, and second department employee details, everything coming into the second bucket. Okay. So now department also have the buckets that are only given here, partition into smaller files using the same hash function. Same hash function will be applied on the employee table and also department table on the join attributes. So based on that, employee table are partitioned to smaller files and the department table partitioned to smaller files. Okay, smaller files. Okay. So the record, everything will be put into the corresponding bucket. Okay. Each and every bucket have the same value of DNO from the employee and the same value of department number from the department. Okay. And next is probing base. The single pass. Okay. So both buckets, employee table partition into n number of buckets and department table partition into n number of buckets. No. So both are same values are available means both are combined together. So first bucket CSE related means CSE related bucket is of the employee table is combined with the CSE related bucket of the department table. So that is the output of the joint condition here. That is the output of the joint condition. Okay. So this is the hash partition hash join. Okay, so for the join operator, we have four concepts. So first one is nested loop join. Each and every row compare with each and every row of the second table matching, we will get the output. And second is single loop join. In the single loop join, the among the two join attributes, index is created on one particular join attribute, probably foreign key, because more number of values will be there. Then the Brahmi key related column table will be taken, that will be act as a loop, single loop. So first row compare with all the bucket values, matching value of the bucket means that bucket rows are combined with the department. That is a single loop join. And a sort method join means the two data files that are going to join using the Pramaki and foreign key. So using the Pramaki, that particular data first data table or data file is arranged in the order. Like that, using the foreign key, that corresponding data file or table will be arranged in the order. Then using single scan, both are combined if same of the same value. Okay, and partition has joined now. So the each and every table is partitioned into n number of smaller files using the hash function. The same hash function will be applied in both tables that contain the Ramek key and also foreign key. Okay, and probing phase, both are combined together using the bucket values. Same bucket values are available means matching record, no? So both are combined together.